Good morning, dear students. So in the last class we discussed about some of the problems of the exercise 5.2. Okay, now here we have and also assigned some problems as homework, that is problem number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now check whether what you did is right or wrong. I'll solve these problems now. So check whether what you did is right or wrong. Okay, now here they gave that check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2. We need to check whether minus 150 is a AP or not. AP of this is belongs to this term or not. Okay, now what we can do, so here A is equals to what they given, so A is equals to 11 and D is equals to, we know that A2 minus A1. So what is A2? So you can take here 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 is nothing but minus 3. Okay. Then what is AN? AN is equals to minus 150. AN is equals to minus 150. So now you can use the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is minus 150, which is equals to A value is 11 plus N. So what is N? We don't know. So N, we need to find whether it's a N or not. We need to find N. If we get N whole number, then it is N. Then 150 is a term. If we got N other than the whole number, it is not a term. Okay, now you have minus 3. So you have minus 150, which is equals to 11 minus 3N plus 3. So then minus 150, which is equals to 13 minus 3N, and transfer this side. Minus 150 minus 13 is equals to minus 3N. So then minus 163 is equals to minus 3N. Now minus minus get cancelled. So 163 divided by 3 is equals to N. So simplify this. So we'll get N is equals to. So dear student, please make a change here. What is that? So here 11 plus 3, it is 14, right? So by mistake I wrote 13. So sorry for that. So it is 14. Okay. So then please make a change here. So here it is 14. 164 divided by this one. Okay, if we divide that 164 by 3, so you'll get that is 54 2 by 3. So therefore n is not a whole number. If it is not a whole number, then it is not an AP. Okay, so therefore it is not an AP. Therefore it is not an AP. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Yes, we will move for next problem. Okay, so now here find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Okay, what they given, we need to find A31. Find the 31st term of an AP. Now what they given, just you write that. So they given 11th term, that is A11, which is equals to 38, and they given A16 is equals to 73. And as a examination point of view, this type of questions are important for 2 marks. Okay, now we know that A11 is nothing but we can write here A plus 10D, right? A plus 10D, which is equals to 38. So here also the same thing we can write here A plus 15D. Why? Because 16, A16 is equal to 73, so you can write here A plus 15D. Now we can simplify using this. So you can change the sign, minus, here also minus, and here also minus. So plus A minus A get cancels. Okay, then 10 plus 10 minus 5. So I'll get here minus 5D. Minus 5D, which is equals to minus 78 minus this one. So here 5 8 minus 3, so you should simplify here. So here it is 35. So 5 and minus get cancelled, therefore D is equals to 35 divided by 5. 35 divided by 5. So therefore D is equals to 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are. So D is equals to 7. Okay. So now here we can find the A value also. So A plus 10D, you can substitute this D value is in any of the equation, either equation 1 or 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. You can substitute in any of this equation, so you'll get A value. Okay, I'm substituting in the first equation. So now here A plus 10 into 7, which is equals to 38. Okay, so A which is equals to 38 minus 70. So A is equals to, what is 38 minus 70? So it is nothing but minus 32. So A value is minus 32. Okay, then A31 we need to find. So how to find A31? A31 which is equals to A plus 30D, isn't A plus 30D. Now we got that A value. A value is minus 32. So then plus 30 into D value. What is D value? D value is 7. Substitute here. So therefore minus 32 plus 7 3s are 21. 1 0. That is 210. So 210. So you'll get that when you subtract this A31 which is equals to